Hey everyone! In this 2026 guide, I'm going to show you how to log into Zoho Books really easily, whether you're on a desktop or mobile. Yeah, super simple. So first, open your browser and go to zoho.com/books. On the top right, you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll land on the Zoho login page. Here, just type your email address, then hit next and enter your password. Click sign in and Zoho Books will load your dashboard right away. If you already use another Zoho service like Zoho Mail or CRM, you might get logged in automatically. Zoho links all your apps under one account, so sometimes you won't need to enter your details again. If you use Google Sign In or Microsoft Sign In, you can click those buttons too. Just pick the account you want, and Zoho Books will open instantly. On the Zoho Books mobile app, the process is the same. Open the app, enter your email and password, or use your Google or Microsoft login. After that, it'll take you straight to your dashboard, where you can view invoices, expenses, customers, and more. And yeah, that's all you need to do to log into Zoho Books quickly and safely. Oh, and thanks for watching. And feel free to like and subscribe if you found it helpful.